Hi students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this class we are going to discuss examples which reduces to standard type. If the example is not in the standard form of type 1, type 2, type 3 or type 4, then we have to reduce it to the standard form. For example, solve x square p square plus y square q square equals z square. Here the given equation is x square p square plus y square q square equals z square. Call it equation number 1. In this case, put u equals log x and v equals log y and w equals log z. P equals dou z by dou x. This can be written as dou z by dou u by dou x. Dou z by dou u by dou x is 1 by x. X into p, xp equals dou z by dou u. Next, q equals dou z by dou y equals dou z by dou v into dou v by dou y. Dou z by dou v by dou y is 1 by y. Y into q, yq equals dou z by dou v. Substituting in 1 in this equation, we get xp is dou z by dou u, x square p square is dou z by dou u square plus yq is dou z by dou v, y square q square is dou z by dou v square equals z square. This can be written as 1 by z square into dou z by dou u square plus 1 by z square into dou z by dou v square equals 1, or we can write 1 by z dou z by dou u whole square plus 1 by z dou z by dou u whole square equals 1. Call it equation number 2. Now w equals log z. Then dou w by dou u equals dou w by dou z by dou u. Dou w by dou z is 1 by z dou z by dou u. Therefore, dou w by dou u equals 1 by z dou z by dou u. Again, differentiate this with respect to v. Dou w by dou v equals dou w by dou z by dou v. Dou w by dou z is again 1 by z dou z by dou v. Dou w by dou v equals 1 by z dou z by dou v. Equation 2 becomes 1 by z dou z by dou u value dou w by dou u whole square plus this value is dou w by dou v whole square equals 1. This is of the form p square plus q square equals 1. Here p is dou w by dou u, q is dou w by dou v, which is of the type 1. We know how to solve examples of the type 1. Solution is w equals au plus bv plus c, where a and b satisfy a square plus b square equals 1. b equals plus or minus square root of 1 minus a square. Now substituting for u, v, w and b, the complete integral is log z equals a u is log x plus or minus b is square root of 1 minus a square, v is log y plus c. Okay. Next example, solve x square plus y square into p square plus q square equals 1. First write the given equation, that is x square plus y square into p square plus q square equals 1. Call it equation number 1. Put x equals r cos theta, y equals r sin theta. R equals square root of x square plus y square. Theta equals tan inverse of y by x. P equals dou z by dou x, dou z by dou r by dou x plus dou z by dou theta by dou x. Dou z by dou r by dou x is differentiation of this one. Dou r by dou x is 1 by 2 square root of x square plus y square, differentiation of x square is 2x plus dou z by dou theta 1 by differentiation of this one, dou theta by dou x 1 by 1 plus y by x whole square, differentiation of this with respect to x is minus y by x square. Therefore, p equals 2 cancel, x by square root of x square plus y square dou z by dou r plus into minus y by x square 1 divided by x square plus y square divided by x square dou z by dou theta. P equals x is r cos theta square root of r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta dou z by dou r minus x square cancel, y means r sin theta r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta dou z by dou theta equals r cos theta. The value of this one is square root of r square and cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. Square root of r square is r dou z by dou r minus r sin theta divided by again r square cos square theta plus sin square theta value 1 dou z by dou theta. R cancel, cos theta dou z by dou r minus r square. We have sin theta by r dou z by dou theta. This is P. Similarly, we should calculate Q. Q equals dou z by dou y. That is dou z by dou r by dou y plus dou z by dou theta by dou y. Dou z by dou r, dou theta by dou y is 1 by 2 square root of x square plus y square into 2y plus dou z by dou theta 1 by 1 plus y by x whole square into y by x with respect to y is 1 by x. 2 cancel, y divided by square root of x square plus y square dou z by dou r plus x square plus y square divided by x square into 1 by x dou z by dou theta. Y nothing but r sin theta square root of r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta dou z by dou r plus here we have x by x square is x. If it goes to numerator it becomes x divided by r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta dou z by dou theta. R sin theta divided by square root of r square, take it common, we have r square root of cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1 dou z by dou r plus x is r cos theta divided by r square again cos square theta plus sin square theta dou z by dou theta. R cancel, sin theta dou z by dou r, the value of this one is 1. R by r square is r cos theta, the value of this one is 1 dou z by dou theta. This is Q. Now substituting the values of P and Q in this equation. In equation 1, x square plus y square into p square plus q square equals 1. Here x is r cos theta square plus r sin theta square. P value cos theta dou z by dou r minus sin theta by r dou z by dou theta whole square plus q value sin theta dou z by dou r plus cos theta by r dou z by dou theta whole square equals 1. So here r cos theta square, r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta. Take r square common, the value of cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1, so remaining r square. Next, this is of the form a minus b whole square. Now expand this one. We get cos square theta dou z by dou r square plus sin square theta by r square dou z by dou theta whole square minus 2 sin theta by r cos theta dou z by dou r dou z by dou theta, okay, plus sin square theta dou z by dou r whole square plus cos square theta by r square dou z by dou theta whole square plus 2 sin theta cos theta by r dou z by dou r dou z by dou theta equals 1. See here this value, these two terms get cancelled. We have r square into dou z by dou r square, okay. Here also we have dou z by dou r square. Remaining term cos square theta plus sin square theta. Next dou z by dou theta whole square common, dou z by dou theta whole square common. Remaining term sin square theta by r square plus cos square theta by r square equals 1. R square dou z by dou r whole square, this value 1 plus dou z by dou theta whole square, this is sin square theta plus cos square theta divided by r square equals 1. So r square dou z by dou r whole square plus 1 by r square dou z by dou theta whole square equals 1. R square dou z by dou r whole square plus r square into 1 by r square dou z by dou theta whole square equals 1. R dou z by dou r whole square minus plus dou z by dou theta whole square equals 1. Call it equation number 2. Now put log r equals capital R. Differentiate this with respect to z. 1 by r, dou r by dou z equals dou r by dou z. Okay. If you cross multiply, dou z by dou r equals r into dou z by dou r. R into dou z by dou r value, this one, dou z by dou r square plus dou z by dou theta whole square equals 1, which is of the form p square plus q square equals 1, type 1. Now solution is ar plus b theta plus c. Here a is arbitrary constant, b is a square plus b square equals 1, b square equals 1 minus a square, b equals plus or minus square root of 1 minus a square. Therefore z equals a r log r plus or minus square root of 1 minus a square. Theta is tan inverse of y by x plus c. This is the required solution.